So you want to use Canva templates in PowerPoint, but don't really know how to do it? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to use Canva templates in PowerPoint, just like I've used this template in a PowerPoint document. The first thing we need to do is make sure we're on the Canva website or app. You can either click the Presentation button or click on Create a Design, then select Presentation, or simply click on Presentation right here. Now, choose the template you want to use in PowerPoint. Here you will find a variety of presentation templates. Pick the one you like. For example, I'll choose this one. Click on Customize this template. You can also select a template by clicking on this Design tab. Pick the one you like. Next, click on Apply All Pages. It'll take a few seconds to load, and as you can see, it will create a full presentation right here. Now go to the top right corner and click on Share, then select Download. Here you'll find an option to change the file type. Click on it and choose Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. Then click on Download. The presentation will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, click on the folder icon and you'll see the presentation file. Double-click to open it. It'll take a few seconds to load, and as you can see, your Canva template is now open in PowerPoint. Click to enable editing. Now you can customize it however you like. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.